Hello, it's Kira, and I wanted to take you on a little tour of my studio. So this side of the she shed is my art studio, and this side is where we keep all the create along stuff. See, shipping boxes, storagey stuff, snacks, an invitation. So yeah, the 600 or so products that Create Along has in stock are on these shelves. Cutters, stamps, molds, tools, stuff for shipping. This is our packing table. So this is where the magic happens for fulfilling your orders. But this is where I make stuff. So these, if you've ever seen a studio tour before, these are my cubbies from Hobby Lobby. And the reason I love them is because they're metal. The drawers are metal and they come right out. So if I want to go through my bucket of veneers, I can just pull out the drawer and put it on my table. If I want to grab some scrap, same thing, there's a bucket of scrap. There's cutters that I use the most frequently, my bead rolling tools. So these I have found are fantastic. And when I teach a class, it's also really easy for me to just pull the two drawers full of cutters and bring it to class. So I really love these. They're full of all kinds of fun things. Like here's my Swarovski drawer for when I'm doing jewelry and beading projects. This drawer is full of my gold jump rings. This one has crystals. Most of these are Swarovskis that I bought at an estate sale for an insane price. My wire. So all the things that I need are sorted into drawers, especially for jewelry making and polymer clay. You know, because they're metal, they don't react with the clay and I don't worry about it. It's great. And then we have some decorative stuff. A reminder that you're doing a freaking great job. And these are my drawers of like open packets of clay. I've had this little organizer for a long time. So in here is my Sculpey Primo and Souffle that I'm using currently. Here's the newest bars that I bought. And then I've got some other stuff. Like this is translucent and the very old Sculpey Studio clay, if you remember that, which I believe is very close to the Souffle. And, you know, another drawer of stuff. Some of the stuff in here is just overflow. This is like my currently using area. And then over here we have, this guy is dedicated mostly to my resin work. You're getting a sneak peek here at something I'm releasing very soon. This is my work table desk where I have a view of out the window and I sit here to do computer work in my big comfy chair. This is my jewelry workstation. Oh, you're getting a sneak peek at the mold for the mermaid box, which is happening this month. And this is where I hang like beads on strings if I have them, but most of my beads are in these containers. My iPad goes here for when I'm doing stuff like resin work, where I'm just watching a movie or something, catching up. One of my pieces from Polymer Clay Adventure. And we've got a shelf over the window, and there's one of the two ACs in here. When it gets hot in the summer, it's really hard to keep it cool. Did you know that people who think of themselves as lucky actually are more lucky? So that's why that's there. All right, I've got a stack of these things. These are really great. They're jewelry storage boxes, but they hold things like inks and just all kinds of stuff. Like here I have my alphabet stamps are in this drawer. Just small things that fit in drawers do really well here. My silk screens that I'm actively using and have out are in this drawer. So it's handy for me to have it right next to my workstation. There's my pasta machine. 3 shelves with stuff on them that I want to be able to just quickly grab. And then here, of course, is my filming station. So for those of you who film tutorials, I use a matte tile that I got at Home Depot. I use this thing, which is awesome because it can go down. This is as low as it goes, and I can film over this thing is on a tilt and a swivel. So I can position my camera wherever it needs to go over the workstation. So generally, I'm going in this direction when I'm doing something like a reel or a short, and I'm standing here if I'm filming long ways for YouTube. And that is my 18-inch ring light to light everything up and get rid of those nasty shadows. And then right next to that is my pasta machine, so I have access to it, a bunch of tools that I use all the time. Under here I call my mess. I've got my Lucy slicer. That is the top to my studio on wheels, which is like how I can take pictures of product and flat lays and stuff. So that goes on top of a tripod that's over in the corner. And paint. This is my watercolor table. And these are what I was telling you was a sneak peek. So you can imagine maybe what this is for. Leave me a comment on the video if you think you can guess. All right, so there we have it. That's a quick tour of where my stuff is, and next time, maybe I'll give you some more specifics on how and why I keep things where I do.